Oh,
that thing is getting bigger. It's coming straight at us.
Yeah, it's like... Oh my god.
Guarda tutaj nail są. Musisz troszkę... O, widzisz to?
Tornado.
Come on, take your camera. Come on. Quick, quick, quick.
Okay.
It's a real tornado. I think it touched down, didn't it?
No. It's starting. It's
Oh,
forming.
now he's touched down. He touched down for sure.
Oh yeah. Oh my god.
Yeah,
Holy cow.
yeah, he touched down. I think it's over the river. I hope.
It's a tornado. We're here. It's
Nice
a tornado right in front of our house. We got some nice thunder. Never seen a tornado before.
If that's over the river, then it should be sucking up water. Like a funnel
It's a
spout?
water spout.
Water spout?
No, it's not a water spout.
Tornado chasers.
No, let's go chase it in the minivan.
Well,
Faster.
in the sports car. Okay. Well, now we know that tornadoes can spawn here.
Yeah, that's what you're filming.
Yeah, I know what I'm filming. I think that guy's leaving. What?
At one point it was going straight at us.
Yeah.
Have you seen it before? What? Have you just seen it now? Yeah, that's what I saw. That was close.
Patrick, can you come over? It's like scary.
Tornadoes, lightning striking.
Like,
Oh, those birds are running. They know that something's coming.
Welcome to Florida.
That tornado is coming toward us now.
Is it? Where is
Look
it?
how big it is.
I don't see it.
It's right
Oh,
behind the
wow.
palm tree right now.
Whoa.
That's...
Holy smoke.
Yeah.
Film it here. Film it from here. No, that's a real tornado. That's a real tornado.
Oh my god.
So when we've seen it, it was just initiating.
Yeah, it was literally just forming in front of our eyes.
Oh my God. You can send it to a movie thing.
To the news?
Yeah, we should send it to the news.
What if a lightning strike hit the tornado? Oh, that would be
What
scary.
happens if it starts coming towards us? What do we do?
I don't know. Let's hop in the car and just kind of run away to the right or left or go in circles. I don't know. That's my recommendation. It's not like we can close the windows in a house.
Well, no, you're not supposed to. That's the thing. If there's a tornado, that's the
Now
last
that's a
thing you
major
do.
tornado now.
Yeah.
That's a major tornado.
That's,
How far do you think that is? Like 1 mile?
Let's go.
That's...
that's scary close.
Let's just hope that that thing just stays like that.
Oh my god. Yeah, that's a good idea.
What? Look at that. It's like bending now. Is it dissipating, you think? Sort of disappeared, sort of.
going away.
Slowly.
Another one's forming now. Here's a bigger one.
Yeah, it's slowly going away now, I think.
Where is it?
It's over there.
Is it gone?
It's
Yeah, it's still there.
still there, but it looks like it's fading away, or maybe it's just going farther away from us, so the rain is covering it.
When a tornado is coming towards you, you hear
It's getting
a
bigger.
train.
You hear a train?
you hear a train
Yeah.
coming. That's what it sounds like.
Well, the thing is getting bigger. So when you see it getting bigger and bigger and bigger, it's coming towards you. It's not growing, it's coming towards you. You know what I mean? No, but guys, watch
I still see it. It's a little